Hello kids, let's learn alphabet A to Z. A is for apple. B is for basketball. C is for cat. D is for donut. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for guitar. H is for house. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for koala. L is for leaf. M is for moon. N is for newspaper. O is for ostrich. P is for pumpkin. Q is for quail. R is for rose. S is for seal. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yarn. Z is for zebra. Please like, share and subscribe Bachon Ki Duniya.
Hello, kids, let's learn accounting. 1 to 100. 1. 1 chicks. 2. 2 chicks. 3. 3 chicks.
4. 4 chicks. 5. 5 chicks. 6. 6 chicks. 7. 7 chicks. 8. 8 chicks. 9. 9 chicks. 10. 10 goat. 11. 11 goat. 12. 12 goat. 13. 13 goat. 14. 14 goat. 15. 15 goat. 16. 16 goat. 17. 17 goat. 18. 18 goat. 19. 19 goat. 20. 20 goat. 21. 21 goat. 22. 22 goat. 23. 23 cow. 24. 24 cow. 25. 25 cow. 26. 26 cow.
27 cow. 28 cow. 29 cow. 30 duck. 31 duck. 32 duck. 33 duck. 34 duck. 35 duck. 36 duck. 37 duck. 38 duck. 39 duck. 40 horse. 41 horse. 42 horse. 43 horse. 44 horse. 45 horse. 46 horse. 47 horse. 48 horse. 49 horse.